Oh, I do have a fish. Oh, I got double. Look who I got with me today. We got Miss Miyamona, and we got Miss Noah Bonnie. So we got Frankie Girl. Can't go anywhere without Frankie Girl, especially the beach. And then of course we have the lovely Miss Mary, who always has a great attitude. The fishing loses a little priority, but that's all right. I only bring one pole and I'm here with my family just because if I bring two poles, it's just super chaotic trying to take care of twin girls. And two fishing poles, as you can see, is difficult. So I just keep it to one fishing pole, which is fine. Yeah, mama. Wind is good today. Not too strong. Perfect day for the beach. All right, let's see if I can get a line in the water. I don't know, it looks like it's gonna be a pretty busy day, but we'll see. Pardon me? All right, got my cool glasses on. They are cool. You better not say they're not cool. I got my squid, got a little fish bite. All right, there she is. The fish, hopefully it's a fish. Catching some drag. Oh, I got double. Let's go. When I have a double, you can feel it, all right? And I can feel it. I don't know how I didn't feel this one. Those are like not small whiting either. Okay, okay. Okay, I'll pass you these. Okay, I'll pass you these. Big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at that boy. That may be one of the biggest whiting I've caught. I gotta check the size on that. Let's go. I think I have my wife here today. I don't know what I've been doing.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
All right, 12-incher. I'm gonna keep this one. We're gonna eat this one tonight. Maybe have a little little sushi. Let's go, Frankie. Let's go, Frankie. Come on. Yeah. Mia's not too impressed yet. When I was measuring my whiting, little Miss Mia here decided it'd be funny to start reeling on my line. Tangled a bunch, so I had to cut it off, retie it. So I'm finally back in. It's heating up out here in the Gulf, and I just don't mean the weather. I mean the fish too. The water's heating up. It's gotta be about 80 degrees out there in the water. The sky is feeling like 90 degrees. And the fish are coming. All right. Mia. Whoa. Segura. Mia, no, segura. Mia. Vamos. Pega aí. Joga aí. Joga. Yeah. Anything? Found some firecrackers. That's gonna be an easy way to start the fire, but I'll probably just use the paper part. But if I get desperate, I know I can use the cracker. I didn't take it away the firecrackers from her because she was starting to eat them. Who needs propane?
That's good.
Wasn't a great cast. I got Noah on me now. It's hitting a little bit right now. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. How is that possible? They shake him, but it just went boom. It's something. Look at it. Some double catfish. Whoa! It was something. This right here is a big boy. It's a fatty. Alright, I'm gonna fillet this fish real quick. Depending on how well I do, will depend on if it makes it in the video or not. Hey, not bad. Look at that fillet I just did, babe. Look at that. There is no meat on that skin. We got it. That is a good looking whiting fillet. That is good meat right there. I'm just gonna dump these in the ocean real quick, wash them off, and then eat some sushi here. Fresh as it gets. From Gulf to mouth. Pretty good. Still pretty sandy. Doesn't get fresher than that though, huh? Probably a little lime, a little cilantro would help, but it's pretty good. Yeah, last cast broke off. Don't know how. I don't know if it was a shark or if it just broke off, but we're gonna pack up, get out of here. It's been fun. We got one keeper. Good whiting. See you out there.